How's it, everyone? Right, so today we actually had well we had a whole bunch of call outs, but this one call out, yeah, this one was a bit tricky. We were called for a snake, but the owners didn't know is that the snake was actually stuck in the chicken wire. Malawi, will you please just lift it up and so you can see her on the camera? All right, so you see his whole entire body is stuck in there. All right, so I just cut all around um, the fence to, of course, just get him out because this over here needs a little bit more finer work done to get this off, so that we can see the extent of his wounds, and then of course take it from there. So yeah, I decided that I've never really posted anything like this recently.
Please don't do it at home.
Please, yeah, please don't ever try to do this at home. The gloves that you'll be seeing over there, those are the Hex Armor gloves, level 5. So yeah, the Boomslang won't be able to bite through the gloves. Alright, let's get that piece off. Sorry. That's one part. And that one part is all that basically was needed to come loose. There you go, there you go, there you go. Alright, so let's have a bit of a look over here.
It's okay. Oh, it's a bit of a wound at the bottom. There's a cut between those two things there. Yeah.
Okay, well, there's a little
over there,
tip of his skin. That would be the outer skin. That got a little bit damaged, but that will heal up actually pretty fast. And with his next shed,
he'll be looking fine.
He'll look like he has never had any wounds. Yeah, I think let's just clean this up quickly. The reason why I'm just cleaning up here, for just in case little nicks or something like that might get infected. So we just want to clean that out. Now what I clean it with is of course an F10 solution that is used by all vets when it comes to wound cleaning and disinfecting and all that stuff like that. So yeah, the wound is now the wound is now pretty cleanish. Not cleanish, but properly. Right, now all that we need to do is to apply a bit of F10 germicidal barrier ointment. This will really help as well to stop any secondary infections. Yeah, his skin is a bit loose over there where the wire was, but I'm guessing the looseness is from when he was trying to wheel himself in and out of that fence. But the more he moved, the more he got stuck. So that skin will actually, in a few weeks, that skin won't be It's not loose anymore. All right. So yeah, that is our interesting call for the day. We would like to say thank you guys for, of course, watching. Also, thank you guys for all the support. Yeah. Anyways, cheers, folks. Be safe.